Good morning, YouTube family. How are you? I hope you are okay. It's a lovely morning here in Kapirimposhi at Johnson's farm, and this morning my guys are coming to continue with the construction with the um, tiling of the floors in the sitting room and the kitchen. We've got the materials, and see, these are some of the materials here. We've got the tile fix. Also, we've got the tiles over there, and this is the floor that was removed. Look at that. Can you imagine? So I would like to say to a brother and a sister out there, if you are living out in the diaspora, and I'm telling you, it's for me, I've experienced it firsthand. I don't know about you, but I've been working in remote control, and some of the things, when I've come on site, I even regret that I did it in remote control. I would encourage a brother and a sister out there. If you are building, if you are building doing things in remote control from abroad, I think it's better to find time to come home and be on site while the job is being done. You know, like for example, this is one of the things I have planted whilst I'm here so that I know and witness. That's an avocado tree. I planted, that's another avocado tree. Also, I planted some willow trees. These are willow trees, and I hope they will shoot up and grow. There's quite a few of them along the road on this side here. This is actually a manure compost thing that I'm going to make. I'm going to put a bit of chicken poo here and cover it with some plastic and let it rot. And so this is the willow trees all along here. But let's take a walk. It's early morning here and it's freezing. I didn't expect it to be so cold in Zambia around July, around this time. It's pretty cold, honestly. So anyway, I'm just doing my brisk walk morning, my morning brisk walk that I usually do. Some of you have witnessed me doing the brisk walk, and I've encouraged you many times. I can see some trucks here. It's like a snake has been passing through here, you know, overnight. Yeah, so this is one of the fields that I will be using to plant some vegetables, because I love vegetables, and it's one of my hobbies, vegetable growing, you know. So let's go see. I believe my guy, my trustee, Mr. Isaac Indawa, has already woken up and is gone down to the other field to do some irrigation, some water irrigation. Also, I have some beehives here. They are scattered all over the bushes here, and hopefully today or tomorrow morning I might do some inspection and maybe harvest a bit of honey. So I will need to put on my gear, you know, bee protection gear. So these are some of the hives located in this section of the yard. Let's just have a quick peep. It's only the termites. I've been telling my guys to look out for the termites, but it seems it's taking a deaf ear, you know. I believe there are some bees in this hive over here, but since it's very cold, the bees are behaving. They are very, you can't even see them. There are actually bees in here. Yeah. So it's better to just go away, otherwise no good. The sun is rising in the horizon over there in the eastern part of the farm. That's where the sun is coming up from. Oh, it's bushy here. So this is a field that we've planted some sweet corn here, and so far so good. This is how it's faring. Some places it came out, but some places there's nothing, you know. It's our first time to use this system of irrigation, and we hope we could continually use this kind of irrigation, because this type of irrigation conserves water. So this is our little matabas coming up, our maize. I don't know why some other sections it looks much bigger than the other side. You see, this is the other section, and it looks slightly bigger than the other side on that side. I hope it will grow up to the time we harvest it. This is the rape that we've planted. So far so good. This is what it's looking like. These are some of the tuma leaves coming out, and it's all the way up to the far end over there. So we want to grow it in stages and see how it goes. So that's what it looks like from this end here. So as a farmer, you need to be up in the morning very early. It's no child's play. You know, you need to come and inspect your garden, you know, make sure everything's okay. So this is the other bit, it's coming up. At the moment, we have some water that we can use from our little stream coming down from here. Usually when it's October, when it's blazing hot, usually the stream dries off. But we got in place a backup plan. We've got 3 wells that we've dug, and we've got sufficient water to see us throughout the year. So we use a small gen set here to pump the water, and a pump. My trusty Isaac Indawa, and it's just Achan, ilivewe Mulishan ile pompa kule. So this is where we get our water from, and it collects in this fish pond here. It's a little stream, and it flows. It's called Lunchu. So this is the water trickling in. Can you see that? Yeah, it comes all the way from that other side there. So this section here, we're using this system of watering. We still need to improve our watering system, but so far so good. We're going to use this system for now for the rape. So I hope you've liked the video. If you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video, and also leave a comment, and also press that bell icon for more notifications. And if you're tuning in for the very first time, I want to say welcome to my YouTube family, and please kindly subscribe to the channel to support the channel. Thank you so much. God bless you from wherever you're watching from, and it's adios amigos. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.